Start with a slip knot and chain 30. This chain stitches, it will form the base of the puppet. This is how it will look. This is the base. This base, it measures around 5 inches. So this you can adjust according to your need. You can adjust the size of the puppet by changing the starting chain stitches. You can check it by wrapping it around your wrist. Make a slip stitch in the first chain. The next one, chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Mark the stitch with a stitch marker. It will be easy for you to keep a track. And now make 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Take this yarn and along with the working yarn, once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet, and total you should have 30 stitches. Round 3, start with chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Mark the stitch with the stitch marker. Now round number 3 to 12, you will be making 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. And once you reach the end, do not slip stitch. You will be working in continuous rounds. This is how it will look after round 12. Round number 13. In this round, we'll make the increase stitch. We'll make the first increase in the first stitch and the next increase in the 15th stitch, that is the middle stitch. Now even if you're not keeping a track of the stitches, it is just easy to find where to make the increase. Just lay your puppet over here. The first increase, it would be in the first stitch, and the other increase, it would be just opposite. Mark your stitch. Two single crochets. Mark the first stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach the marked stitch. Two single crochets in this marked stitch. And 1 single crochet in the rest of the stitches. At the end of round 13, you should have 32 stitches. Round number 14 and 15, 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. You'll make 1 increase on the first stitch and 1 increase on the other side. Mark your stitch. Two single crochets. Mark the first stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach this marked stitch. Two single crochets in this marked stitch. One single crochet in the rest of the stitches. At the end of this round, you should have 34 stitches. Round number 17 and 18, 1 single crochet in each and every stitch around. Round number 19, 1 increase in the first stitch and 1 increase in the other side. Two single crochets. Mark the first stitch and 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the marked stitch. 2 single crochets in the marked stitch, and 1 single crochet in the rest of the stitches. At the end of this round, make a slip stitch on the first single crochet and weave off your yarn. Round number 20. In this round, we'll make gaps for the thumb and the pinky finger. This is your first stitch. Now count 5 stitches from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and mark the stitch. Now hold it and mark the stitch on the other side as well. This would be the stitch. Now do the same on the other side as well. This is your middle stitch. Count back 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark the stitch. Now mark the stitch on the other side as well. That would be the 10 stitches. Here 10 stitches. Now insert your hook in the next stitch to the marked stitch. This is the stitch. Now make 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the stitch just before this marked stitch. And while making the single crochet in this stitch, join to the other side as well, just next to the marked stitch, and make a single crochet. And 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the end. Do the same on the other side as well. Round number 21, 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Mark your stitch. Round 22, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, two single crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2. Now repeat this all around. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. You will make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Mark the first stitch. 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Round number 28. 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Mark the first stitch, and now you will make a single crochet decrease. Insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up the yarn. This is 1 single crochet decrease made. Repeat this all around. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 single crochet decrease. Now keep making the decreases till the gap is closed. Okay, this is how it will look. To make the bunny ears, chain 12. 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the end. Make a single crochet 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And now make the second in the same way, chain 12, 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and 1 double crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the ends, slip stitch on the bottom stitch. Now turn your work and 1 single crochet around the sides of the ears. Make single crochets on this single crochets as well. 1 and continue making on the ears. And once you reach the end, slip stitch and cut off your yarn. This is how it will look. Now to make the thumb and the pinky finger, join the yarn and make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Here also you'll be working in continuous rounds, do not slip stitch. Make 3 more rounds of 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. And now we'll make single crochet decrease. Repeat it until the gap is closed. And weave off your yarn. Now repeat the same on the other side as well. Now use a black color yarn to sew the eyes. Make sure you don't stitch both the sides together. Now use pink color yarn to sew the nose and the mouth. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.